The Light in the Piazza has been playing to sold-out houses at Free Fall Theater in St. Petersburg. In today's Sounds of the Suncoast, we get a preview of one of the songs from the award-winning musical. Here with Dividing Day is Broadway veteran Melissa Mignard. Take it away.
Dashing as the day we met, only there is something I don't recognize, though I cannot name it yet. I know it. Beautiful is what you are, only somehow wearing a frightening disguise. I can see the winter in your eyes now, telling me thank you. We're done here, not much to say. We are together, but I have had dividing day. When was this day? Was it on the church step, suddenly or out of love? Does it go creeping slowly? When was your dividing day? I can see the winter in your eyes now, telling me, Margaret, we did it. You curtsied, I bowed. We are together, but no more love allowed. When was dividing day? Was it on the church step? Did it happen right away? Were you lying next to me, hiding what you couldn't say? How could I have guessed? Was my cheek upon your chest an ocean away? When was dividing day?
Beautiful.
Wow.
It's so beautiful and so sad.
I know. Well, Margaret goes through a lot.
She really does.
I want to know when was dividing day.
I know, right? Don't we all?
That's true.
Well, that's amazing, and you sing a lot of songs like that.
I have one that describes an event that happened in my daughter's life, which was sort of unexpected, and it's like a mother's song of feeling like responsibility for her child and everything that ever happens to her, and a couple of others, with groups and things.
It's lovely.
Very
Nice. Yeah, it's just one of those things you can just listen to
Oh,
and enjoy.
yes, I would
forever.
love to see
Beautiful.
what happened. Yes.
You should come.
See the show.
You should come. Absolutely.
I'd have a hard time getting a ticket.
No, I'll get you in.
Remember, you can see The Light in the Piazza at the Free Fall Theater in St. Pete through July 17th, and those tickets are going fast, so go to freefalltheater.com. Next, we're going to get our pets ready for storm season.
Music on Main at Lakewood Ranch. If you haven't been, come on out and see what you've been missing. The first Friday of every month, you can enjoy a free concert, dancing, great food, and lots of fun for every family member, even the furry ones. Catch